where we get frustrated in sales, because you have a perfect job for salespeople to get really excited, hopefully don't go and lease a brand new GT3 RS Porsche because you're like, dude, I can save him 15%. Nothing sells its gosh darn self, right? And there's so many people in your world that get excited and you're like, oh yes, I've got freaking lightning in a bottle. I'm gonna surf this wave. You might, chances are you might not, because if we're not skillful and we don't organize our communication to that broker in terms of current situation, they have a potential of losing their book. They also have a potential here to grab new share. Okay, capabilities needed. They need to make sure that they are not only doing their due diligence, but are affiliated with somebody that can provide them with the biggest swing, right? Next steps. What happens next? I just need the renewal quote and blah, blah, blah. Now you're making it stupid. Yes, I want that. I don't want to lose my business. Yes, I'd love to steal some business from Randy. Is that him? Hey, Randy, what's going on, buddy? Oh, love you too, brother. Yeah, man, let's go to Topgolf next week. I'm stealing Randy's business. I hate that guy, right? You're giving them everything that they need to be like, I understand the value in this and I understand what happens next. Yes, that is what I had in mind. No, you didn't miss anything. Here's your sign-in. But if we just lead with a pitch, because here's the other way this goes. You're going to call Tony Gomez, who's your broker, and you're going to be like, Tony, I think I could save 15%. Tony's going to be like, that's cool. Put it in an email to me, because he's getting ready to go to Topgolf with Randy, right? So he's just going to tell you that, right? He's not bought in yet. You didn't lead with an insight. The insight being, man, every year at this time, especially every 2 years as it goes around, there's a bunch of brokers, some of them unfortunately just leased a brand new car or put their kid in an expensive college. The next thing you know, 10 to 15% of their book, gone before they even got a chance to talk, right? How are you dealing with that? It's a problem. I have pretty good relationships with my clients though. I buy them Seahawks tickets. Yeah, I got it. So here's, and that's awesome. But one of the things that we're seeing is when there's a swing, and if that swing is north of 10%, okay, 15% is really in that dead zone. Doesn't matter how many football tickets you bought. You've got due diligence. They've got a fiduciary responsibility to their employees. The business is gone, right? Here's the thing. We have purview on the biggest swings out there to make sure that you're not only checking your box for your due diligence with your clients, but putting them in the best seat to defend yourself from all of the other brokers. Some of them might even be friends of yours that are trying to come in that back door with a 6, 7, 8, 9% swing for them. We want to make sure that we seal that up. Does it make sense for me to get everything together for, yeah, you know what, let's check it out. Perfect. There's 2 documents. There's 2 things I'm going to need. I'm going to need a renewal doc, and I'm going to need a sign in on the XYZ and ABC. I'll put that all in an email to you. Give me about 10 minutes. I'll have that over to you. And then, Tony, what's the best number for me to text you once I send that email so that it's not like caught in some sort of spam filter? We're not. Well, yeah, give me a call, text me 720-660-3202. Perfect. Give me 20 minutes to write it up. I'll then text you. And then if I don't see that renewal doc and the sign in by, let's say Thursday, let's call it Wednesday, I'll reach out to you then. Fair enough? Yeah, it works for me. Thanks for the call, brother. Yeah, man. Mission, keep the clients. And hey, you want to grab an extra 10% from other people, with these type of numbers, there should be nothing you stopping you there. But mission, let's secure the book here for another year. And I even say those words when I get off the call with people. Mission, let's secure the book for another year, right? And then you skillfully do your power email. If you work in sales and you're serious about your career, I'm going to give you $300 right here, right now, to close more deals. Did we just become best friends? I think so. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales coaching system in the world. One little tiny piece of that sales coaching system is our mini masterclass on closing. It's $300. But I'm gonna cover the cost for you right now. I've set some money aside out of our marketing budget. If you click the link here, I will text you a code where you can go and grab the mini masterclass on closing. I'm gonna cover all of the cost for you. You pay nothing. There's no commitment on your end. My hope is that you close so much more business, you come and join us over at Easton University, but that choice is yours. If you want to double, triple, quadruple your closing right now, click the link. I will text you a code to get the Easton University Mini Masterclass on closing right here, right now, and I'm going to cover all the cost for you. Click the link. I'll see you on the other side.